Today, we're going to be setting up the Govee WiFi Thermometer Hygrometer, and you can monitor temperature and humidity right from your phone. Inside the box, you get the sensor, the instructions, and everything you need to get started. First thing you want to do is install the batteries, and it automatically powers on. And there's a button at the top that you can toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Now it's time to log into the Govee app and start setting up the thermostat. To get started, we're going to hit the plus sign in the top right corner, and while we scan for device, we're going to hit the add button, and now it is connecting, and then we're going to hit the toggle button at the very top, and that's going to help us pair. Once we pair, we're going to name our device, and here I'm going to use Garage Thermostat. After that, we're going to pick our Wi-Fi and connect. Now that it's successful, you can start to see where it keeps the range of the temperature. It'll also let you pick the hour, the day, the week, the month, and the year. And then if you go to your settings button, you can go to the alert threshold, and I'm going to use my temperature alarm, and I'm going to set my parameters. I'm going to make the minimum 65 degrees or 60 degrees, and my max is going to be 85 degrees. So then I'm going to go to my alert methods. I'm going to make sure the app reminds me. So if anything goes out of the parameters, I'll get an alert on my phone saying that it is below 60 or higher than 85. And then you can return to your home screen, and the garage thermostat is right there on the home page. Now you can install it wherever you want. I'm installing mine in the garage so I can keep an eye on the heat. And this was a super easy setup. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.